In this project, you'll tackle one of the more advanced simulation challenges in engineering: a two-way fluid structure interaction between a moving fluid and a flexible structure. We're looking at a hyperelastic rubber flap clamped inside a channel with air flowing past it at 20 meters per second. The flow pushes the flap bends, and that bending changes the flow. Neither side of the physics stands still. By the end of this project, you'll know how to set up and run a fully coupled transient two-way FSI simulation using system coupling, linking Fluent and mechanical inside Workbench. You'll configure dynamic mesh remeshing to handle large deflection, define the force and displacement transfers between solvers, and set up the structural side with hyperelastic material and the correct boundary conditions. Finally, you'll move into CFD-Post to visualize stress, deformation, and flow together, and generate a transient animation of the full simulation.